Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best toilet tank repair kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a functional and efficient bathroom, ensuring that your toilet operates smoothly without constant leaks or running water, which can not only be an annoyance but also a significant waste of water and money over time, making this a crucial purchase for any homeowner or renter looking to keep their plumbing in top shape and avoid costly water bills. Number 5. Fluidmaster Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. Tired of noisy or slow-filling toilets? This is the quietest and most powerful solution available to fix those issues. Getting your toilet running smoothly again is easy. It comes with clear, step-by-step instructions for a hassle-free installation. No need to worry about compatibility. It's designed to fit most toilet models and brands, ensuring a perfect match for your bathroom. Achieve the perfect flush every time. You can easily adjust the water level in both the tank and bowl to save water and customize your experience. The height is easily adjustable, fitting tanks from 9 to 14 inches. This ensures it will work with your specific toilet setup. What we like. This fill valve is designed to be the quietest and most powerful option available, easily replacing noisy or slow-filling valves. It offers a universal fit for most toilet models and brands, with adjustable height to suit various tank sizes. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install upgrade that tackles common toilet noises and filling issues, this is a great choice. What people say. The flush is strong and consistent. Easy to install, even for a beginner. Fits perfectly in my American Standard toilet tank. Number 4. Korky Ultra Standard 2-inch Toilet Flapper 100 BP. Introducing the Korky Ultra Standard 2-inch Toilet Flapper. It's designed for long-lasting performance and is incredibly easy to install. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. This high-performance flapper is the most universal 2-inch option available. It's compatible with most popular 2-inch toilet brands, including American Standard, Kohler, Mansfield, and Toto. No matter your tank size, this flapper is designed to fit. It adjusts for 1.28, 1.6, 3.5, and 5 gallon per flush toilets, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this toilet part comes with a 5-year warranty. You can trust in its quality and durability for years to come. Crafted from high-quality, chlorine-resistant rubber, this flapper is built to last. It's the ideal replacement part for your toilet's repair needs. Stop wasting water and fix those annoying running toilets quickly. This easy-to-install part can eliminate costly water waste and restore your toilet's efficiency. What we like. This flapper is engineered to be the most universal 2-inch flapper on the market, fitting a wide range of toilet brands and tank sizes. It's proudly made in the USA with chlorine-resistant rubber for long-lasting durability. If you're dealing with a running or leaking toilet and want a high-quality, American-made replacement that's easy to install and built to last, this is the one to consider. What people say. Easy to install, just replace old one and secure as shown and fixed the issue. Sealed quickly, was made of quality material much better than what was on there. This fit the Gerber Maxwell 1.6 gallon tank with a 2-inch flush valve. With a setting on the flapper to 5 and it now flushes perfectly and fills the bowl where it should be. Definitely a quick and easy install. This Korky Universal 2 flapper valve was an easy and effective replacement. It fit my toilet perfectly and stopped a slow leak right away. Installation took just a few minutes, and the rubber feels durable and well made. Number 3. Danco HYR 460 Hydroright Toilet Repair Kit. Introducing the Danco HYR 460 Hydroright, a universal water-saving toilet repair kit. It easily converts your standard toilet into an efficient dual-flush system, significantly reducing water consumption with every flush. This innovative kit combines a dual-flush converter and a high-efficiency fill valve. It's designed to maximize your toilet's water efficiency, making it a smart choice for any household. Designed to work with most standard 2-inch flush valves, it requires a 10-inch clearance inside your tank. Please note it's not compatible with 1.28 GPF toilets, 3-inch flush valves, or Mansfield brand toilets. Installation is straightforward. Simply replace your existing flapper with the converter, ensuring it's centered on the flush valve. Do not remove the overflow tube, the new seal slides down to replace the old flapper. Say goodbye to common toilet leaks caused by worn-out parts. Its durable silicone seal is resistant to chlorine and chemicals, preventing warping and ensuring a long-lasting, leak-free performance. Experience the convenience of dual flush technology with its unique split-handle design. The quick flush button uses less water for liquids and paper, while the full flush button handles solid waste efficiently. This smart system even detects leaks and signals when one is found. You can also calibrate it to use the precise amount of water needed, further enhancing your water savings. What we like. This kit transforms your standard toilet into a water-saving dual flush system, offering a quick flush for liquids and a full flush for solids. It's designed to eliminate common leaks from worn flappers and handles, and even detects leaks to signal when attention is needed. If you're looking to significantly reduce your water consumption and upgrade to a more efficient toilet with smart leak detection, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. One advantage to these systems is the white slide mechanism on the filler tube. You can slide that so that it will not refill after flushing. This is a big help if have to adjust the replacement for the flapper value, but even bigger help when wanting to clean the toilet bowl. The only issue I had was getting the flapper replacement installed so it did not leak. But once that problem was solved, the system works great. One item I have not seen noted but important to me is that you can slide a white slide on the arm of the filler mechanism to lock it in place. Very useful if going on vacation or even away for weekend, as it could prevent a toilet from overflowing. This system is very easy to install. Especially attractive to me is replacement of flapper valve, and those of us with hard water tend to find buildup of sediment and lime allows leaking of the flapper over time, which can waste a great deal of water from a very slow leak that you may not realize is occurring. Number 2. RNT Toilet Fill Valve A1320. Is your toilet slow to fill, noisy, or constantly running? This universal replacement kit is designed to fix those issues, providing a quiet and quick tank refill for improved performance. Made from certified, BPA-free ABS plastic, it ensures no harmful substances enter your water supply. The anti-siphon design protects your family's health by preventing dirty water backflow. It delivers the precise amount of water needed for optimal performance, helping you save water and reduce your utility bills. A smart choice for your home and your wallet. Installation is a breeze thanks to the quick locking nut, meaning no tools are required. Adjusting the water level is just as simple after it's in place. With adjustable height from 9.2 to 13 inches, it fits most American standard and other common toilet tanks. Say goodbye to compatibility worries and enjoy a hassle-free DIY fix. RNT has been providing reliable toilet repair kits in the US for over 2 decades. Our dedicated customer support is always here to assist you with any questions. What we like. This fill valve is designed to provide a quiet and fast tank filling experience, effectively fixing slow filling, noisy, or leaking toilets. It's constructed from certified, BPA-free ABS plastic with an anti-siphon design for health safety and features a height-adjustable fit for most common toilet tanks. If you need a reliable, safe, and easy-to-install solution to enhance your toilet's performance and save water, this kit is a solid choice. What people say. They are so much quieter when filling and do not bang when they shut off. Easy to install, adjustable height, and once adjusted to height, work nearly silently without issue. This part fit well to our toilet and stopped the leaking we were having with our old one. Number 1. WINONLY 2-inch Universal Toilet Flapper. This replacement is designed to fit most 2-inch flush valve toilets. We recommend measuring your toilet's drain hole to ensure a perfect match before purchasing. Say goodbye to ghost flushing and running toilets. This flapper improves your flushing system with a durable stainless steel chain for reliable, long-lasting performance. Get your toilet running like new in minutes. No special tools are needed for this simple DIY installation. Just follow the easy steps provided. Made from high-quality, chlorine-resistant rubber, this flapper is built to last. It withstands hard water and effectively conserves water, saving you money and helping the environment. We're here to help. Detailed instructions are included for easy installation. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance or a free consultation. What we like. This 2-inch flapper replacement is designed to improve flushing performance, preventing common issues like ghost flushing and running toilets. It features a durable, rust-proof stainless steel chain and is crafted from high-quality, chlorine-resistant rubber for long-term use. If you're looking for an easy DIY fix to stop toilet leaks, conserve water, and ensure a reliable flush with a component built to withstand hard water, this flapper is a great pick. What people say. I put this flapper on 2 different toilets in my house and it sealed perfectly on both. The running water stopped, the tanks refill normally, and the installation was simple. The rubber feels sturdy and the chain is easy to adjust. This universal 2-inch toilet flapper fit my tank perfectly and stopped the leak right away. Installation was quick and simple, and it works just as well as the original part. Great quality and excellent value. Silicone should last longer than the rubber that most toilets come with, which was one reason I got this one. Overall, I gave it 5 stars for the value, ease of install and functionality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.